Guys, today I'm gonna show how to get this thing. Wait, this thing. The Ultra Thruster. Okay, guys. Like and subscribe because we already did the neon thing. So we're gonna do a new thing. Okay, let's do the thing again when we do to neon block. Like build a glitch like this. If you guys saw the neon block video, go and watch it before watching this. And yeah, that's it. So you have to build like this and put a rocket under your forehead. Oh, sorry guys, that's not what I meant. Like build a thing like this and go to the toxic thing. This will take a while. I'm gonna speed up this. Oh shit, I almost... Wait, what? Okay guys, we are here. Let's wait when we go down. Bomb. Hit yourself too. Go there. And here you go. You wanna know, this is why we need the rocket. I mean the cannon for. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, so we need to destroy this. Okay. And go and claim this. It will give you this item. It will give you this item. The one that I showed you earlier, guys. This is the item. Yes. So we're keep gonna doing this until you guys wanna have things. Okay. Wait. Clear. Okay, guys. Like and subscribe and comments. And what should I get next?